Welcome to this video tutorial on how to buy or sell tokens with SparkBot. With SparkBot you can click on the buy or sell buttons. Let's take a look at an example. Remember to make sure you select your default swap provider. In this example we're going to use VoltEchange, Volt-ENU's deflationary decentralized exchange as the swap provider. Be sure you've also selected the network you want to work with. In this example we will stick to the Ethereum network. Now we click on Buy Tokens. As you can see, SparkBot has provided a quick way for us to select the wallet we want to work with, and the buy amounts are already pre-filled as 0.1, 0.3, 0.5 and 1 Ethereum. This can also be overridden by clicking on the Custom button. In this example we will buy some Volt-ENU tokens. So let's click on Custom. Now we'll enter 0.0060. SparkBot replies asking for the contract address below. All you need to do is paste the contract address of the token you wish to buy. SparkBot will then ask you if you wish to agree to the transaction. You can see the wallet SparkBot is currently working with and the estimated gas fees. From here you can approve or deny the transaction, and it's as simple as that. Selling tokens is just as easy. In this example we will click on Sell Tokens. SparkBot then replies with the ability to select the current wallet and also predefine sell amounts in terms of percentage. Again, you can override these values by clicking the Custom button. You can also update the slippage amount and gas price from low to high or leave this to automatic. Remember that SparkBot has a favorite tokens feature, so if you are frequently trading tokens you work with on a regular basis, you can simply store the contract address and use it for later. Let's click on Favorite Tokens. SparkBot replies with a list of your favorite tokens. You can add or remove tokens from here. The neat thing here is the contract addresses will always be clickable, allowing you to copy and paste instantly. Let's now use SparkBot for a quick degen play. If you are in a rush to buy or sell, you can simply paste the contract address of the token you wish to trade without pressing any menu button in SparkBot. SparkBot is always ready to intercept a contract address and will then reply with an option to buy or sell. Again, you can use the pre-filled amounts or click on Custom to set your own amount. This is particularly useful for quick trades. In this example we're going to buy some Volt-ENU tokens, so let's paste in the contract address. You can see SparkBot has replied immediately with both a buy and sell option with the usual preset amounts. We'll enter a custom amount by clicking the Custom button. Now we enter our custom amount in Ethereum. SparkBot then replies asking if you wish to accept or deny the transaction. We'll click Yes to proceed. SparkBot will then inform you of the transaction success and provide the transaction hash, which you can click on to validate. This concludes the video tutorial on how to buy or sell with SparkBot.